force is authorized. We've taken the lead.
Kill confirmed.
Deadly force is authorized. We've taken the lead. Deadly force is authorized.
Thank you for watching. This has been Camper Killer with 4 motherfucking zeros. Grenade launcher on I done forgot the name of this damn map. Carrier, I'm assuming. I can't remember. But yeah. Grenade launchers across the map. But the main reason I made this video is to show that I got a first blood with a grenade launcher as soon as we started. Most of the people out there get that tomahawk. Most people out there get that knifing throw. Most people get it with a gun, this and that. But I'm not trying to brag or toot my own horn, but that was my all-time first. I've gotten plenty of first blood kills. Plenty. Just never with a grenade launcher across the map. Thank you. Comment, subscribe, like or dislike. And yeah. More to come. Later.